Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Monday, the 5th of January. This is our daily recap. Hope you guys had a good day. Today marks the first full trading week of the year, and volume came back along with better action. And, the analysts were active and just changing character in the market. So, very specifically, we look at the SPY. First of all, we gapped up. Normally, when we gap up, we've been going down and filling those gaps. However, we didn't here. Kind of like this one. We gapped up, never filled that one. Here we did. We gapped up, left everybody struggling, and here we are pushing. And right now we're very, very close to the 688.20. We close above that. And technically the Santa Claus indicator works and Santa Claus has come to Wall Street and there'll be much rejoicing. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Bottom line here is that the market here a much better move today, and it's been broke this downtrend not far from the all-time high. The next thing we'll worry about is the first 5 trading days of January. And in this case, we are well above it because December 31st, we closed on the lows, and then first day was up. So right now that one's looking better too. The Qs overall okay, not as strong. IWM very strong, breaking to the upside, not quite holding it. The Dow put a new all-time high. The banks today out of the gate were in fuego. Look at this candle on the XLF. They have earnings starting next Tuesday. All the big banks, JP Morgan, Bank of Bank of America, Goldman, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, Citigroup made all-time highs today. Citigroup effectively is never going to get back to all-time highs. So a lot of strength there. I missed SoFi, beautiful move on SoFi there today. Nice one there. We talked about coin pre-market. I traded Coin L. Nice gap and go there. Bitcoin is pushing up, looking much better there to the 50-day. Nice move there. I don't like the options on coin. I really don't. Hood had a nice bounce day, also back above the 8 and the 21-day. Nice gap and push there. Energy, we said wait at least 5 minutes, and honestly, it gave no trades today, right? Here's your opening candles. We came down, we came off the lows, not much going on. Chevron, ExxonMobil all look the same. We'll see how this kind of plays out, but overall, they held in well. Biotech and pharma was weak today. We saw gold and silver come back to life here, looking better. By the way, Bitcoin needs to break above 95K. It's right into that level now in the 50-day big spot. ONDS purchased that last week, trimmed half of my position here today. It's had a very nice move. You're up, you have a move, you're up, over 20%. You take some, and then you will see add back on some back and fill. What else? Amazon still in those calls. Nice move there, pushing back up. Yeah, yeah, you've been trimming the whole time, Doug. Nice move on Amazon today. So we'll see. I have out to February on that one. Took a small loss on Netflix, tried to trade that on some flow today, still couldn't go. Tesla had a big move today up to the 8 and the 21-day where it was rejected. Meta had a nice move here back above all the moving average for the 200-day. We'll keep our eyes on that. You take that aside, OSCR was nice today. The small little guy there, pretty quiet, but had a nice move. I missed SoFi. It was one I wanted to watch this week. Went up and filled that gap. Beautiful move there. Overall, this market continues to look good, but they still keep selling tech. And if you're really looking what went on, that's where the selling was today. We had a big gap up on the semis, SMHs, Micron, all-time highs dumped, SNDK also, right? You saw them come in. NVIDIA, which looked good, dumped. They speak at 4 at CES. I don't expect anything. It's a consumer show. Lisa also speaks tonight at CES at 8 p.m. Again, don't expect anything. It's a consumer show. So with that said, still in some risk, still on some future contracts, still sitting in NVIDIA, and we'll see where we go from here. Let's have a great day today. Let's catch you guys in the morning. Have a good evening, everybody.